Jewel is having this gluten-free event, and I wanted to come to see, different products and different ways to make myself healthier. And I also am allergic to wheat, eggs, and dairy, so my challenges are pretty there. I shop at Jewel because they have items that I can't find elsewhere. It's kind of like the one-stop shop. I know that I can find anything that I need here.
Today we are educating shoppers in the store about a gluten-free diet and showing them some different options that they have with some delicious samples.
Would you like to try that one?
Sure. Everybody seems to like it, so that's the most important thing.
So I have a rosé, I have a brut, and I have a pear seco.
There's a dietitian here, which is great to be able to kind of converse and learn of new things that I could be doing for myself. Don't worry, I eat a lot.
It's been a pleasure to be able to answer those types of questions and really give them a personalized approach to this diet. I'm giving them information on hidden sources of gluten that may not come to mind when they are shopping in the grocery store and picking up their groceries. I'm also giving them information on delicious alternatives that they can find right here in Jewel-Osco stores.
I think it's a great product. I always pay attention about the amount of calories and the amount of sodium, and I think this is reasonable.
I came in to pick up 3 items I forgot, and I saw this grilled cheese with gluten-free bread. And I'm like, oh, I'll try that. When I did not realize that the gluten-free bread tasted that good because I've never had gluten-free bread before.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just tried the gluten-free bars, and I think they would be a good snack and healthy snack to eat at work.